To connect Cloud AI with Canva, we first of all have to go to customize here on it. Once you tap on it, you would see connectors, then click on it. Once you click on connectors, say for example now, because of I've added it before I'm seeing it here. If you can't find it here, all you just have to do is click on browse plugins. Then I'm going to browse Canva under connectors, so not plugins, connectors. Then once I see it, I'm going to select it and I'm going to click on connect. Then you come down here to allow. Successfully it has automatically connect. So you may be asking, okay, I've connected it, what can I do with it? So now to use Canva, you can come down here and come to connectors. Then you can see that Canva is automatically connect. So if you say anything like, okay, create a football flyer for the World Cup next matches in Canva. So all I just need to do is hit and it should know that I am talking with Canva. As you can see, it's loading Canva here. So as you can see, it has created different World Cup 2026 flyers. So this is just what you can use for brainstorm. And you might ask, would this even open in Canva? Sure, I bet you. So all you just have to do is click on open in Canva and you open link. Each and every one of those flyers, you can open them and click on open link. Then you can see that it's going to open directly into your Canva and you can edit, remove. It uses the old World Cup logo, but you know that this is just a head start and you can actually use this to do what you want to do. So if you have a brand guide and everything, it's going to make it much better for AI and Cloud AI to do much better designs for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.